Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have for you an MT-09 SP, finished in the Icon Performance on a 22 plate, covered just under 12,000 miles. Very clean and tidy bike for that sort of mileage and age. Let's have a little look round. So as you can see, we've got the fly screen fitted on there. Just protects those clocks a little bit, keeps the wind off the chest. Coming down, forks all in good order. Front mud guard, no scratches or chips. Coming around to the front wheel, again, nothing I can see at all that's out of the ordinary. A little bit of tiny surface corrosion on the brake banjo there. Coming out, we've got an MT-09 radiator guard, genuine Yamaha accessory. Exhaust all good, downpipes. Going around the side. Side of the engine. Again, just a little bit of surface discoloration on there. Nothing to get too excited about. Side of the tank. Again, no marks, scratches. Very clean. Going down to the back in the nooks there. All good. A little bit of marking just there. From the boot. Polished swing arm, all good. Again, rear wheel. All in good order. Coming up, got a Yamaha tail tidy fitted. And again, seat all good, no rips or tears, a couple of minor little marks, but again, nothing to detract from the overall presentation of the bike. Chain and sprockets all good, and that rear wheel all nice down here. Of course, being an SP model, it's got the Olin suspension with the remote reservoir there, and quick shifter, that CP3 engine, all good. Coming up the side, this side of the tank, all lovely. And then coming around the front, again this side, wheel all good, and again just a little bit of corrosion on the banjo bolts there. Probably clean that up if you wished. Come out the side. Again, no marks on mirrors or bar ends, which is really nice. Come around this side again. Same on this side. No marks. So lovely. Really nice condition bike. Let's have a quick look at the dashboard. There we have it, 11,444 miles. And all switch gear in good order. So cruise control and menu buttons all on this side. There we go, 2022 MT-09 SP, lovely condition throughout. Give us a call or drop us an email.